So in this problem, we are given a sample space giving the numbers 1 up to 15. A single number is to be drawn at random. We are told that the event A is that the selected number is even, B is the selected number is a multiple of 4, and C that the selected number is a prime number. And so what we are asked to find is the probability, the conditional probability, of C given A. So that is the conditional probability that it is a prime number given that it is even. So when we find a conditional probability, we are really finding the probability of that it's prime and that it's even divided by the probability that the number is even. Well, in that space, 1, 2, 3, up to 15, there is only one prime number that is even. And so the only prime number which is even is 2. And so the probability of getting an even prime number, prime and even, is only going to be 1 out of 15 different possibilities. However, our probability of even, for that one, we could have 2, 4, 6, 8, all the way up to 14, which really gives us 7 possibilities out of our 15 numbers. And so when we want our probability, our conditional probability that it's prime, given that it's even, that will be equal to our 1/15 divided by 7/15, or 1/15 times the reciprocal of 7/15, so 15 over 7, and our 15s cancel, which gives us a final probability of 1/7.